you know who it is. It's your boy Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another unboxing with the HOPESTAR Dazzling Speaker Box. IP68, IPX6 waterproof, 50 watts of power. It's the H68 model number, Bluetooth 5.3, which my iPhone doesn't support it. So that's why when I'm far away from the speaker, it starts breaking up because my iPhone just doesn't support it. It only supports Bluetooth 5.0, which I don't know why the hell Apple, I didn't even know this till now. I don't know why the hell Apple, an iPhone 16 Pro and 15 Pro and so forth, only support Bluetooth 5.0. Like that does, I thought that, you know, it didn't matter. But yeah, if your phone doesn't have Bluetooth 5.3 or 5.4 or 5.2, the feet that the speaker says, the range that you have is not what you have, because your phone will get disconnected because it doesn't have the same range as the speaker. It all comes to technical stuff, guys. So yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm glad they're going to implement Bluetooth 5.4 on the new 17 lineup. So they need to do that. I'm tired of my music cutting up when I'm far from the speaker, because my phone is 5.0 and the speaker is 5.3. So the range just disconnects because the phone doesn't support the same range as the speaker, basically. Easy layman's terms to explain it. But anyway, 50 watts plus 6,000 milliamp battery. Powerful speakers, what it says. Okay, then in the back, you know, H68, that's the model number. This is what the speaker looks like. There's not that many details in the back. Flushing it, I don't know what that says. You guys know I'm dyslexic. So right here, we got Bluetooth 5.0. We got 4 to 6 hours of battery life. Plus, it says, Bluetooth range, 10 meters. 6,000 milliamp battery. Sorry about that, guys. Speakers, 7.8 mm for whatever, 25 watt 2. Okay, and then down here, we got 80 hertz and 20 hertz. So yeah, you can connect the speaker to a smartphone, a tablet, and a computer. Okay. I'm pretty sure you could do that with most of them. So let's cut these stickers off. I found this speaker on TikTok. This speaker, I bought it on TikTok. Amazon does not have the speaker. I haven't found it on Amazon and Ali. I haven't found it on Ali either. I haven't found it on Shein either. So yeah, this speaker is something I've never seen before. So I was like, you know what? Let me get that speaker. That speaker looks awesome. I'm gonna buy it to unbox it on the channel. So yeah, so you know, I looked up the name on Amazon. I'm gonna try again because that was months ago when I checked it. And see if I could get you guys an affiliate link to see if you know, speaker finally popped up on Amazon or something. Nope, and Amazon still doesn't have the speaker. That's crazy. It's like certain speakers are only in certain places. It's just crazy. See, it keeps pulling up the worry-free gadgets and the other HOPESTAR speakers they got, but not this one. So this one's exclusively on TikTok, guys. So I can't necessarily give you guys an affiliate link. I know some people don't trust TikTok to purchase items, but sadly, if you don't get it on TikTok, then there's nothing I can do for you. I mean, I can still add the TikTok link to this video, and you guys, you know, whoever wants to buy it, you can buy it. But I couldn't find this on AliExpress, nowhere else but TikTok. So since TikTok was the only one that had it, that's why I decided to go with TikTok. So yeah, let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, let's see what's in the box. We got the USB Type A for reverse charging, to USB Type what? C or what? Yeah, USB Type C, as we can see here. Then we got the aux cables. You know, it does bring the aux cables. You know, a lot of people love that aux cable. So, and it was even put in here backwards. You see, this is the front of the speaker. So that's crazy. And I love this blue. I picked this dark blue. They have it in green, black, a lighter blue, But I chose this dark blue because it looks awesome. I never had a dark blue. It has a yellow, you know, accent right here. But yeah, and then we got the lights around the RBG, or you know, around the passive radiators, and then we got the lights on the passive radiators. So yeah, nice. Yeah, it is heavy though. Ain't gonna lie, it is heavy. This is to keep it in, you know, place when you put it down. Okay, let's see the back of it. Back of it, we have the aux cable, we got the micro slot, we got the USB Type-C to charge it, and we got USB Type-A for reverse charging. And then this little flap, you got to make sure it's closed completely in order for the speaker to be waterproof, of course. So let's turn this bad boy on, see if it has any, and let's connect it to my favorite phone. And I don't know if this speaker is only, I think this is, I haven't seen no other brand with this speaker. So since I haven't seen it, I could say this is a HOPESTAR speaker that is only for HOPESTAR. Because the other design, a whole bunch of, you know, different brands have it. So, you know, it's like a generic speaker. This one, I haven't seen it nowhere else. So anyway, let's get to the Bluetooth part of this. And see, hold on, Bluetooth. So here we go. It says HOPESTAR H68 right here. You see? Boom. There we go. We're connected to it. And now let's look up some non-copyrighted music, baby. Non-copyrighted music. Oh yeah, I'm on the right channel. Non-copyrighted music, guys. So let's see. Let's see.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight.
Turn that all the way up, guys.
We will fly above the sky. We are
100%.
heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So, I will say this right now. This speaker is way louder than my Soundcore Boom SE. And this thing is only 50 bucks. And the Boom SE was 100. Yeah, it started at 110. And where I think that, to be honest, where I think that Soundcore messed up was by giving it only 30 watts of power. Like, I didn't like that decision from them. The speaker came out months ago. Imagine, I unboxed it I think two months ago, almost 3 months ago now. And Amazon's not carrying it. It's only exclusive to Walmart. I haven't seen the Boom 2 SE nowhere else. Not on Ali, nowhere else. And 30 watts, I mean, it sounds good, but it's not loud enough. So if you want something loud, the Boom 2 SE is not it. It's just not it. This thing sounds better than the Boom 2 SE right now as it stands. Now, I understand it. The Boom 2 SE has that bass button, so of course it has way more bass than this. But do you prefer, bass over volume? Because me, I'm different, guys. I love the bass, but I prefer voice, loudness over bass. That's just me. It's me. Not everybody has to be like me. And some people are like me. Some people prefer, loud over bass. And sadly, this is just crazy. This sounds way better than it's 50 bucks. And that Soundcore SE, Boom 2 SE is just 30 watts. So, yeah. So, anyway, here goes the play button. I guess the sync button, up and down, power button, light button, and skip button, or whatever that M means. So, let's change the lights on here. Let's see. So, you could get a different roll of lights, you know what I'm saying? It looks nice. Love that blue. I wish they come out with an app. HOPESTAR, Worry Free Gadgets, whatever you want to call yourself now. Come out with an app that you can make a custom, lights and stuff like that. I think people need to fall in line with Soundcore when it comes to that. I can make my own custom light show with the Soundcore Boom 2 or any sounds, any Soundcore that has lights. So anyway, let's play the song. I like this one. It reminds me of Knight Rider. A lot of people won't know what that is. Look it up. Knight Rider. The card was called Kit. record sounds great, man. I'm telling you right now, it sounds great. Let's play some more of this newer music that he puts out. You know, no, there we go. That's the name of the channel, in case you guys are wondering. It's called No Copyright Sound. And let's play this one.
Bitch, my flex her body. She wanna throw it on me. Grab what you want, you know that I got it. Baby, it's all on me. Bitch, my flex her body. She wanna throw it on me. Grab what you want, you know that I got it. Baby, it's all on me. It's my
Go to the next one, guys.
Must be something heaven sent. Payback for the love I spent. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it gonna stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet, it never looked so good. Oh my, that's right, I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Pretty close to heaven now. Moments of euphoria. I am never coming down. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it gonna stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet, it never looked so good. Oh my, that's right, I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria.
When I first ordered the speaker, guys, I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but I like it a lot. I'm serious. I do like it a lot. Let's play one more song. since I'm running on limited time, guys, I would love to keep playing music with you guys, but I gotta do a live stream on my main tech channel. So definitely worth the $50. I'm gonna turn off the RBG lights because it's gonna drain the battery. Love the light show. The bass that's okay. You know, I'm pretty sure the bass is gonna get stronger in the copyrighted music, but we know I can't play copyrighted music on YouTube because then I won't be able to get this. When I finally get monetized on this channel, I won't be able to monetize the video. And it'll serve me like a copy strike and say that I'll have to delete the video. If not, I'll get a real copy strike. So yeah, I'll not be for that. So yeah, I'm pretty sure, like I said, you've seen the bass. Can you feel it? No, I'm pretty sure if I play a copyrighted song after I finish this video, it'll bang. For $50, you can't go wrong. I'm gonna try to find a TikTok affiliate link so I can share it to you guys, and you guys can cop one if you want to buy it. I trust TikTok. I've been buying stuff on TikTok for the last 3 years and never had an issue. And when I did have an issue, they refunded me my money. So yeah, I'm Gucci. So yeah, guys, I mean, an amazing speaker. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. And no, it does not have a Bluetooth, a based up button. People need to understand not every speaker has a based up button. The only speakers that I know that have a based up button is the one that I recently bought, the DB Sono, Soundcore, Transmart has a little based up button. And then Zealot got the EQ where you can bass up the boost. But usually on Zealot speakers, you don't need to bass up the bass because it already packs a punch. You know what I'm saying? So those are the only 4 brands, right? Yeah, Soundcore, the Sono, Zealot, and Transmart are the only 4. Oh, and I forgot the other brand I got. I forgot the name of it. Yeah, it does have a bass button. So 5 different brands that I know of that have a big. Oh, and I forgot, what is it called? Oh my God, DOSS, DOSS. Yeah, DOSS has a based up button. Forgot about them too. So that's number 6. So that's the only 6 brands that I'm aware of that have that bass button. If you guys know more, then you guys know more. But I'm telling you, that's the only 6 brands that I know. You know, and usually the bass goes based on the song, guys. Whatever bass the song has, that's what the speaker's gonna project, and that's a fact. So anyway, I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Take care. God bless and be safe. You already, and thank you for watching.